You don't want the cheapest price. It's the first thing that I tell all my homeowners. There's three things that you can make a choice on when it comes to the right contractor. There's three items that choose the right contractor: the cheapest price, the best quality, or the best customer service, best experience. So you can only have two of those three. The biggest challenge is most homeowners go for cheapest price first. You will always get what you pay for. The challenge is that cheap price now will not be the cheapest price overall. I'll guarantee it. I've seen it happen over and over again. Homeowners come to me and they're like, well, this person only said it was going to cost this to do the project. Whenever I look at it, they're like, well, they had to have missed X, Y, Z, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, because there's no way you can do that project for that, even in a best case scenario. What that means is that contractor is going to come back to you and want more money as you're going through the project itself. And then you're going to be frustrated because what you thought was a great deal isn't a great deal. Typically, they cut costs, they cut corners, so they use cheaper products, and that affects the result you get, which means now the piece that you want to be living in your house, in your renovation, your remodel, doesn't feel right, doesn't feel good. I don't want that for you. So make sure to click on the link. I'll show you exactly how to get what you want in your house at the best price, the best return, with the best customer service, the best results, so that you're happy that you went ahead and invested what you invested in your own. Click on that link now. Let's see how I can take care of you.